Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking immediate safeguards. First, run the version check so you know your baseline. This also prevents accidental rollbacks. Next, backup /etc/DBI and any live databases. Make a compressed dump to a different disk or remote location because updates can alter schemas. Once done, confirm you have sudo rights, network access to the update repository, and at least 2 GB free. These steps prevent interruptions and give you room to revert if necessary. You now fetch and install the update, focusing on verification and controlled execution. First, update package lists and pull the new installer. Include a checksum validation to confirm integrity because corrupted packages break deployments. Then run the installer in dry run or verbose mode to preview changes. This exposes conflicts. Once satisfied, apply database migrations with DBI migrate up and immediately run smoke tests and watch logs for errors. This confirms the update applied cleanly and detects regressions early. You finish by stabilizing the system and preparing for recovery if needed. Restart DBI services and check status to ensure processes are active. This completes the deployment cycle. If you encounter failures, stop and revert immediately from your backup, then investigate /var/log/DBI for stack traces and dependency issues. Fix those before retrying. Finally, document the new version and any config adjustments, and watch system, metrics, and logs for the next 24 to 72 hours to catch delayed problems before they affect users.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.